Good.
Okay, good.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Yuki from Japan. I'm traveling around the world since May. Then this is the second country for this trip.
Wow, thank you.
I'm living as an artist.
Wow. And can I ask you, what city in Japan?
Nagasaki.
Nagasaki. And again, more question because I know that. And what is your island name? You was born in Japan. Island.
Island name is Iki.
Iki.
Iki. It's a really tiny island.
За Японы Iki гэдэг арал тэгээ Нагасаки гэдэг бүс нутагт одоо төрж өссөн уран бүтээлч эмэгтэй манайд очилсан юм а. Тэгээ ингээ бичлэгээ хийж байна. Mongolia friend гэдэг бичлэгээ хийж байна. Please, my second question is how you choose our Mongolia on your this trip, please?
Mongolia. Because like I saw on TV program that there's a Hakuho, the small wrestling player. He went back to Mongolia. Then the Japanese program, they're chasing him. Then they showed how Mongolia is. Then I saw that program. It was so impressive. Then they stayed in Gao. Then they eat a big momot, and it was really unique. Then they are doing the rice holding too. A rising horse, yeah.
Wow, excellent. So I want to say thank you for that time you watched that TV program.
Yeah.
That is very important part. Yes. Excellent. And my very final question on this short video named hashtag Mongolia Friend. It is what do you want to ask from our Mongolians?
What do I want to ask?
From us, from our Mongolians. Yes.
I want to ask, what's your dream?
What is your dream? Yes.
What's your dream? What is
Wow,
your dream?
thank you. And my this very short video only wants to keep our this moment and to share to our Mongolians and to the world people who are we and why we are in this moment and like that. And then your questions, answers can be written someone on this video comment.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. And then it was I very appreciate to make this video with you. And normally 3 questions, but I want to ask more additional question because you showed me your book named The Love. And then please tell your little story. You inspired why and how you are inspired by another person's recommendation and how you are changing your life and why you are making this big trip around the world. And then I want to keep this story and how to say on this video. Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
I made a trip since last July to December. It was 4 months. But I arrived in Europe, in Spain, like with the 35 euros in my bank account at the beginning. So I could only book the one hostel one night, but second night I needed to make money. That's why then I started selling my art. So because like only skill I had was calligraphy, because I started the calligraphy class when I was 8. So then I did. Then 4 months I survived, but because the people treated me well, and then I was surviving with the people's love, or from the love from people and nature, everything. So I felt that the love is important in this world. That's why I want to spread my love. That's why I'm using the social media. Then I write the book. Then I meet new people. Then we share the moment. Yeah, this is my dream and my life.
Wow. And then just few weeks ago, you started your next journey, yes?
Yeah, I'm on the journey for a few years. So.
Wow. And then I very, again, one more appreciation to you. I'm sure you will inspire many people, many human.
Thank you.
They will be lucky to meet with you. Yes, I very
Thank
appreciate.
you.
Yes.
Same
And
to
then
you.
yes, thank you very much. And on this video, I want to say your guest number, that is 662nd.
Okay.
Yeah, hosting experience since 2008.
Amazing.
Yeah, congratulations. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Wow.